This UGC-style video you're about to watch was completely made using AI. So here is the video.
If your beard's got patchy spots that never fill in, this is the video you needed. I tried oils, balms, growing it out for months, nothing filled these in. Then I found this, 5% minoxidil plus biofin. A few drops along the jaw, rub it in, then roll it through. Twice a day. Not magic, just consistency with the dermatologist recommended active ingredient. Full kit's linked below. Go handle it.
The entire UGC ad was created with AI, no camera, no filming, no waiting for creators to record it. And the crazy part, I started basically with just the products. So today I'm going to be showing you exactly how I made this step by step using Creatify. I'm also going to be showing you the part that I think makes this workflow really interesting, because Creatify isn't just for generating a random AI video. It's designed around the actual creative process behind advertising. So if you've ever tried making UGC ads before, you already know how much work goes into the video. First, you need an idea, you need a script, you need to find an actor, the build, voice, the editing, and so on. But here's the bigger problem. What if you don't want just one ad? There's where Creatify comes in. It's an AI advertising platform that can take a product URL, image, or even text and turn that into video and image ads. But for this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to create a UGC-style content ad for your product. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So here is how Creatify looks like. You can go over here and you see Creatify.ai. The link is going to be in the description and also in the comments. So you can see here we have different sections here. You have the agent, the AdFlow, the studio, and also the MCP. And you can see here that has the image ad, video ad, and so on. So starting with the agent, you can come over to the agent here. You can provide your URL link. You can provide your product URL link, and it's going to plan everything for you. It's like an interactive chatbot that it's going to plan everything for you, and you're going to interact before it moves on to generate everything. Going to give you the detailed about of your product, and it's going to interact with you and it's going to create your adverts using just the product link. So for this video, I'm going to use the AdFlow. So for the AdFlow is a node-based system. So with our node base, we are not going to be actually building everything from scratch. We're going to be using the AI Copilot, which is in Creatify, and that makes it easy for those that don't have much idea on prompting, they don't have idea on good prompting and so on. Using the AdFlow with the AI Copilot makes it easier and smooth for you. So I'm just going to add in my products here. So this is the product I'm going to be working with. I got it from Amazon. I just went for women bestseller supplement, and I saw this product there. So this is the product I'm going to make use of, and I made a custom prompt for this. So I made a custom prompt here, and I'm going to paste in this custom prompt, and I'm going to tell this is the custom prompt here. So I'm just going to tell Claude to turn this prompt to work with this product, and the model to, you can change your model. Maybe your model should be a male or your model should be a female. You can put that in the prompt, that turn this prompt to work with this product and the model to a male man, since it's a male product. So I'm just going to upload my product here, and Claude is going to edit the prompt, the whole prompt structure for me. So Claude is going to work with the exact structure of the prompt, but it's going to change in the product to fit into whatever product you want to use. So I'm going to be leaving that in the description also, and also in the comments. So you're just going to copy this prompt, the prompt that Claude is going to edit for you. You're going to copy it and you put in your product in the AdFlow. I'm going to paste in my prompt here for this, and I'm going to click on send, and it's going to. So you can see the Copilot has identified the phase 1, which is the identity lock. 7, you just say you realism still of the same woman, and so on. So you can revise this, you can edit it, or you can just click on confirm and build if you are okay with the revision. So I'm not going to click on confirm and build. So the AI is going to create the node for you. It's going to work on the node by itself. So it's going to create the node base for you, add in each prompt. So you can either revise the prompt, change the model. Maybe you want to use the GPT 2.0 model. And if you want to also change the resolution, maybe to 2K, 4K, and so on. So this gives you flexibility. It doesn't just generate everything for you. Or in some cases, you can stick to the Nano Banana Pro or the GPT-2 image. So what you're just going to do next is when you tell it to generate, it's going to run the 7 nodes for you, and it's going to generate the images. So these are the images here. You can see the images it generated. So these are the images here. So that is the images. So I'm going to come over to here and I'm going to click on all good. So I'm going to click on all good. Now run the videos using Cdance 2.5. So we're going to be using Cdance 2.5 for the videos, which is one of the most realistic model right now, the Cdance 2.5, and it's also available on Creatify. So I'm going to click on send. So here is the breakdown of the video. So it's going to break down the scenes for you and everything. So you edit some aspects you want on some aspects you don't want, and or you can just tell it to go ahead with the whole generation. So this is what it did. You can see that it created the nodes automatically, connecting each image to its own video node here. So you can see for this was connected to this one and so on. So all the nodes will now be connected to the final video. So for this here, you can still work on the model you want. So you connected each image nodes to the video node. So you can see for this one here, you connected this node here to this, and this node here is connected to this one, and this is also connected to this to create a continuous scene. So for the music, it is going to be using the 11 Labs music. So I'm just going to click on here that says run all. I'm just going to tell the agent go on, and it's going to generate everything for me. So it's done generating the videos. So it has connected it to the final video, so you can play it.
Okay, this is genuinely the only part of my morning routine I never skip. Centurium Women's Multi-Gummies, 11 essential nutrients made for women, and they actually taste like tropical fruit. Vitamin D3 for immunity, B vitamins for energy and metabolism, Biodin plus vitamins A, C, and E for hair, skin, and nails. No artificial flavors or sweeteners, gluten-free, non-GMA, and honestly, best tasting vitamin I've tried. 2 gummies a day, that's it. Your future self says thanks. Link below.
So you have this section where you can either increase the background audio or reduce it to your satisfaction, and you also have here that says caption. So you can leave it no caption, or you can add in your own caption here. So you can see this caption. We're going to click on confirm. So you can see the captions. He added the captions here, and it also has its own built-in editor, which you're going to open the editor here. So this is the editor here. You can edit some parts you don't want. You can split this, you can delete some scenes, and you can also change the aspect ratio and so on. You can change your background music, add in other elements, add sets, and so on. You can change it to this one, work on the captions here and so on. So this is actually amazing. There is another one here. You can just tell the model, I used same prompt for this. You can just tell the model to run everything into one video node here. Like I did, I told it to connect all the images to one video node, and which was this. We connected, and I selected a Cdance 2.5 and I selected 30 seconds. I generated everything in just one video here, which connected all the nodes into one video.
Okay, this is genuinely the only part of my morning routine I never skip. Centrium Women's Multi Gummies, 11 essential nutrients made for women, and they actually taste like tropical fruit. Vitamin D3 to support immunity, B vitamins for energy and metabolism, plus biotin and antioxidant vitamins C and E. No artificial flavors or sweeteners, gluten-free, non-GM. Honestly, the best tasting vitamin I've tried. 2 gummies a day. That's it. Your future self says thanks. Link below.
So now you can now connect this into the video editor node and also connect your music. You can also connect the song you generated and then add in your caption here. So it's that simple, and the platform is actually amazing. So that is actually amazing. You can try out other of their tools, which is the agents, and the co-pilot is actually run by Claude Opus 5, which is actually amazing. I'm just going to leave this workflow in the description for you to check it out yourself. So that is it for today's video. So the link to try out Creatify is in the description and also in the pinned comment. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to this YouTube channel, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell not to miss amazing content like this, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'm Joseph from Josie Concept. See you in my next video. Thank you.